Welcome to the world of multimodal AI, the next major evolution of artificial intelligence. While traditional AI models work with one kind of input at a time, like text or images, multimodal AI brings multiple forms of data together, such as text, images, audio, and video, to create a more complete understanding of the world. This is what makes the new generation of AI systems feel so natural and powerful. Let's start with what multimodal really means. The word comes from multi, meaning many, and modal, meaning modes or types of input. A multimodal AI system can process and connect information from different sources simultaneously. For example, it can read a paragraph, look at a picture, listen to a sound, and combine all that information to answer a question or create something new. This ability mimics how humans think. When you look at a photo of a sunset, you don't just see colors, you recall the sound of waves, the warmth of the air, and the emotions tied to that memory. Multimodal AI works in a similar way, blending different sensory inputs to make richer, more context-aware decisions. One of the most exciting examples is image understanding. With multimodal AI, you can upload an image and ask, "What's happening here?" The model can describe it, identify objects, or even analyze emotions in faces. This opens up endless creative and practical possibilities, from accessibility tools for the visually impaired to automated product tagging and content creation. But it doesn't stop at images. Modern multimodal systems like GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude can also process videos, interpret charts, analyze audio, or create visual stories from text. For example, you can ask, "Describe the mood of this music," or "Generate an image that matches this poem." This cross-mode interaction allows for more expressive and human-like creativity. In education, multimodal AI can analyze both written essays and spoken presentations to give holistic feedback. In marketing, it can generate visuals, slogans, and voiceovers all from a single idea. In medicine, it can interpret scans alongside clinical notes for more accurate diagnosis. The key power here is integration, connecting data across modes to reveal insights that were previously hidden. Another groundbreaking use case is content generation. You can use multimodal AI to create entire videos from scripts, design scenes from descriptions, or generate art from text prompts. Artists, teachers, marketers, and creators are already using this technology to move from idea to finished product in minutes. It's also transforming human-computer interaction. Instead of typing instructions, you might soon show the AI an image, speak a command, and watch it respond instantly. This makes AI more intuitive, accessible, and conversational than ever before. However, as with any technology, multimodal AI comes with challenges. Ethical use, data bias, and privacy concerns are vital considerations. When combining images, voices, and text, transparency and responsible design are essential. Users must understand what data is being used and how it's processed. In short, multimodal AI represents the next frontier, where machines not only read or listen, but truly see and understand in context. It's the bridge between digital intelligence and human perception, and it's already reshaping industries from education to entertainment. As we move forward, those who understand and use multimodal AI will be at the center of the next creative revolution. One where language, vision, and sound all merge into a single intelligent experience.